Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now you have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Now let's take a look at this section at the very bottom, and on the very first position we've got the developer options. If you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, we've got a tutorial of how to enable them by using the About Phone section. So I highly recommend to check it and then come back to this video. So if we are on the developer options, all we have to do is to simply scroll down just a little bit, because as you can see it will be in the same section as all of those options, the first section. We've got automatic system updates. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and from now on your device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So basically you do not really need to remember about updating your device manually, just remember about restarting your device. Of course you can turn it off the same way, just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually that's all. This is how to enable automatic system updates in your HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.